The display of the smartphone 6.7-inch full AMOLED 1 billion color and the refresh rate of the display of the smartphone 120 Hz. The screen to body ratio of the display of the smartphone 87.9%. The resolution of the display of the smartphone 1080 by 2412 pixels. The PPI density of the display of the smartphone 394. Now I am telling about the operating system of the smartphone Android 12 Oxygen OS 12.1. The chipset of the smartphone Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1. The CPU of the smartphone octa-core and the GPU of the smartphone Arduino 740. The card slot is not available of the smartphone. The storage capacity are available of different type of the smartphone, and the RAM is also available of different type of the smartphone. The main camera are a triple camera. The feature of the main camera of the smartphone dual LED flash HDR and panorama. The video of the main camera of the smartphone 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30, 60 to 140 fps. The selfie camera of the smartphone is a single camera. The feature of the selfie camera HDR, and the video of the selfie camera of the smartphone 1080p into 30 fps video EIS. The sound of the smartphone low speaker is available with the stereo speaker, and the 3.5 mm jack is not available of the smartphone. The Wi-Fi of the smartphone 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of the smartphone 5.3 DPLEAPTX 8D. GPS is available and NFC is also available of the smartphone, but the FM radio is not available of the smartphone. The charging port of the smartphone USB Type-C 2.0. The battery of the smartphone 4800 non-remote battery. First charging 150 W. The 5G technology are available of the smartphone. The SIM of the smartphone dual SIM, nano SIM or dual standby. There are a different price are available of the smartphone. The line date was announced of the smartphone 3 August 2022. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablet, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablet, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.